Yesterday I explained about wild animals. Wild animals live in forest. Wild animals live in forest. You can see the wild animals in the zoo also. Already I explained what are wild animals, where do they live. Okay children, once again today also I will repeat the wild animals names, how to read, how to write. Once again today also I will repeat. Okay children, yes, wild animals live in the forest. Where do the wild animals live? Wild animals live in the forest, and you can see the many wild animals in the zoo also. In the zoo also wild animals you can see. Now what are wild animals? Where do they live? Now already I explained. Now I will tell you the names of wild animals, the spellings of wild animals. Once again I will repeat. Okay children, see here, this is our book now, wild animals lesson. Now I will show you the wild animals once again. Come on. This is a deer. What is this? A deer. What is this? Deer. What is this? Deer. And this is hippopotamus. What is this? Hippopotamus. What is this? Hippopotamus. And this is elephant. An elephant. What is this? An elephant. What is this? An elephant. And this is a tiger. What is this? Tiger. What is this? Tiger. What is this? Tiger. And this is monkey. What is this? Monkey. What is this? Monkey. See here, this is the lion. What is this? Lion. What is this animal? A lion. What is this? Lion. And this is a bear. What is this? Bear. What is this animal? Bear. What is this? Bear. And this is wolf. What is this? Wolf. What is this? Wolf. What is this animal? Wolf. And this is zebra. Sorry. This is giraffe. What is this? Giraffe. What is this? Giraffe. Sorry children. Giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest animal. What is this? Giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest animal. It has long neck. Its neck is very high and its legs are also long. Its tail is very small tail. It eats leaves and fruits. It eats leaves and fruits. These are the wild animals. See here. These are the wild animals. Amma, in the wild animals, which is the king of the jungle? Which animal is called the king of the jungle, Amma? Which animal is called? Yes, the lion is called the king of the jungle. The lion is called the king of the jungle. And I'll ask you one more question. Which is the biggest animal? It has strong legs and it has a trunk. What is that animal, Amma? Yes, it is the elephant. What is this? Elephant. Elephant is the biggest animal. I'll ask you, which animal jumps from one tree to another? Which animal jumps from one tree to another? Yes, the monkey. Monkey jumps from one tree to another tree. And which is the tallest animal? Which is the tallest animal? Giraffe. Which is the tallest animal? Giraffe. But which is the tallest animal? Giraffe. Okay children, these are the wild animals. Once again, how to spell the wild animals names, and I'll show you how to write. Okay children, I'll repeat how to read the wild animals names. Come on. You also pronounce with me, read with me, repeat with me. Number of times you read the spelling. Come on. Come on. First one is deer. See here. D-E-E-R. Deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. Next. H-I-P-P-O. Hippo. Hippo means hippopotamus. It is like this spelling, no? So I am giving you hippo. H-I-P-P-O. Hippo. Come on. H-I-P-P-O. Hippo. This is elephant spelling. What is this? Elephant spelling. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Come on, repeat. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Come on. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Again. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Now we'll read monkey spelling. Come on. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Now bear spelling. B-E-A-R. Bear. Again. B-E-A-R. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. Now we'll read the next spelling. Wolf. The next spelling is wolf spelling. Come on. W-O-L-F. Wolf. Again. W-O-L-F. Wolf. I repeat. W-O-L-F. Wolf. The last. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Again. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. These are the wild animal spellings, names and spellings. Okay, children? These spellings now I'll write here, and you also observe, see the video, and you also practice in your 4-rule book, children. The wild animals names, how to write. Now I'll show you. Okay, children? Come on. First, I'll write wild animals, 3rd lesson. This is, I'm writing now. You also repeat many times, repeat with me. Okay? Then only you can read it. First spelling I'm writing lion, spelling I'm writing now. L from the red line to till the last blue line, straight line, and a small sleeping line. I blue line to blue line. O blue line to blue line. N also blue line to blue line. Come on, read. L-I-O-N. Lion. Come on. L-I-O-N. Lion. Again. L-I-O-N. Lion. The next spelling is tiger spelling I'm writing now. Tiger spelling, how to read and how to write. Come on, I'm writing. T from the red line to blue line and small sleeping line up. I blue line to blue line. Small g is down letter. Like this only you should write the small g. T-I-G-E blue line to blue line. Small r blue line to blue line. See here. This is tiger spelling. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Again. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Lion and tiger. This is lion spelling. L-I-O-N. Lion. And this is tiger spelling. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Now I give you hippo spelling. Hippo. Come on. Capital H from the red line to last blue line. Draw 2 straight lines. And in the middle, small sleeping line. Okay? This is capital H. I blue line to blue line. Put a dot up. P down letter small p. Join a half circle. Again another P. Straight line. Join a half circle. And small O blue line to blue line. This is hippo spelling. Come on. Read it. H-I-P-P-O. Hippo. Repeat. H-I-P-P-O. Hippo. Again. H-I-P-P-O. Hippo. Now I'll write monkey spelling. Come on. Capital M from the red line to blue line. Draw 2 straight lines and join with 2 slanting lines. Red line to first blue line. This is capital M. Small O blue line to blue line. Small N blue line to blue line. Small K from the red line to blue line, straight line. Join with 2 slanting lines. Blue line to blue line. Small E blue line to blue line. Small Y is down letter. Blue line to last red line. It's small y. M O N K E Y. Monkey. M O N K E Y. Monkey. M O N K E Y. Monkey. The next spelling is wolf. I'm writing wolf spelling. Capital W from the red line to last blue line. This is capital W. Small O blue line to blue line. And small L red line to blue line, straight line. Small F straight line with a small curve. And in the middle small sleeping line. This is wolf spelling. Come on. W-O-L-F. Wolf. I repeat. W-O-L-F. Wolf. Again. W-O-L-F. Wolf. Repeat. W-O-L-F. Wolf. 6th spelling I'm writing now. Bear. Bear spelling I am writing. Listen. Capital B from the red line to blue line. Join two half circles. Small e blue line to blue line. Small a blue line to blue line. Small r blue line to blue line. This is bear spelling. Come on. B E A or bear. Okay. B E A or bear. B E A or bear. I repeat. B E A or bear. Now I write giraffe spelling also. Capital G from the red line to blue line. I blue line to blue line. Small r blue line to blue line. Small a blue line to blue line. Small f straight line with a curve and slipping line. Another small f from the red line to blue line. E blue line to blue line. This is the spelling of giraffe. What is this? G I R A F F E. Giraffe. Okay? G I R A F F E. Giraffe. Okay? G I R A F F E. Giraffe. Come on. G I R A F F E. Giraffe. Now I write next spelling here 8. Rhino spelling I am writing now. Rhino spelling. Capital R from the red line to blue line. Small h from the red line to blue line. I blue line to blue line. N blue line to blue line. Small o also blue line to blue line. R H I N O. Rhino. Again. R H I N O. Rhino. Come on. R H I N O. Rhino. I repeat. R H I N O. Rhino. Why I am repeating this much of times? This many times. Why I am repeating? Because of you only. You also spell with me. You also spell with me. Now I write D spelling. Now I write D spelling. Okay, children. D. Capital D from the red line to blue line. Small e. This is capital D. Red line, blue line, and the blue line, straight line, and join a big half circle. Small e, blue line to blue line. Another small e, blue line to blue line. And small r, blue line to blue line. This is D spelling. This is D spelling. What is this? D spelling. These are the wild animal spellings. Repeat. I repeat it. Elephant spelling. Elephant spelling also I write. Okay. Elephant spelling also. It is biggest animal. Which is the biggest animal? Elephant is the biggest animal. And one more animal, that is elephant. Come on, I am writing elephant spelling. Come on. Capital E from the red line to last blue line and join three small sleeping lines. Okay. L, draw a straight line. E, blue line to blue line. Small p is down letter. H from the red line to last blue line. A, blue line to blue line. N, blue line to blue line down curve. Small t from the red line to last blue line. Straight line with down curve, down small curve and join a sleeping line. This is elephant spelling. I am writing elephant spelling. E, L, E, P, H, A and T. Elephant. Read the spellings very carefully. Read the spellings very carefully. See here. This is E, L, E, P, H, A and T. Elephant. How to read? E, L, E, P, H, A and T. Elephant. Repeat. E, L, E, P, H, A and T. Elephant. These are the wild animals names. Once again I repeat all the spellings. Listen carefully. You watch the video carefully. Okay children. Once again I repeat all these animals how to read and spellings also. Now I will show you. Okay. Wild animals names. See here. L, I, O and lion. Repeat. L, I, O and lion. Repeat. L, I, O and lion. This is tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. This is hippo. What is this? Hippo spelling. Come on. H-I-P-P-O. Hippo. H-I-P-P-O. Hippo. Come on. H-I-P-P-O. Hippo. This is monkey spelling. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Repeat. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. This is wolf spelling. What is this? Wolf. W. What letter is this? Capital W. O-L-F. Wolf. Come on. W-O-L-F. Wolf. Come on. W-O-L-F. Wolf. Bear. Bear spelling. Now we'll read. Come on. B-E-A-R. Bear. Repeat. B-E-A-R. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. This is giraffe spelling. Come on. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Come on. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. This is rhino. Actually, rhino giraffe. You can't read that much of spellings. This is rhino spelling. Come on. Rhino giraffe actually spelling is, I write only rhino spelling only. Rhino spelling. Come on. R like hippo. R-H-I-N-O. Rhino. How to read this? R-H-I-N-O. Rhino. Come on, repeat with me. R-H-I-N-O. Rhino. Come on. The next spelling is deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. This is elephant spelling. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. These are the, once again I repeat elephant. Why? Because this is lengthy spelling. Elephant and giraffe, monkey. These are the lengthy spellings. You read carefully. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. These are the wild animals. Lion, tiger, hippo, monkey, wolf, bear, giraffe, rhino, deer, elephant. Okay, children. Now I'll ask you some questions. Come on. Which is the tallest animal? Which is the tallest animal? Can you say the answer? I told already. I explained which is the tallest animal. Yes, the giraffe is the tallest animal. Giraffe is the tallest animal. Yes. Which animal jumps from one tree to another tree? One tree to another tree. Which animal can jump? Bear? No. Tiger? No. Elephant? Yes. Sorry. Which monkey? Sorry. Monkey. Monkey can jump from one tree to another tree. Monkey can jump from one tree to another tree. See here. Giraffe is the tallest animal and monkey can jump from one tree to another tree. Okay. Which is the biggest animal, Amma? Big, very biggest animal. Which is the biggest animal? Yes, elephant. Which is the biggest animal? Elephant. Which is the biggest animal? Elephant. This is elephant spelling. Elephant is the biggest animal. And which animal is called the king of the jungle? Which animal is called the king of the forest? Forest means jungle. Anyone is okay. Which animal is called the king of the forest? Yes, lion. Lion is called the king of the forest. Lion is called the king of the forest. Okay children, these are the wild animals names. Tomorrow I will give you question and answers. Okay, be ready for that and you learn these very thoroughly.